Welcome to Top 5 Reviews.
Ten Best Dual Fuel Portable Generator New Model. We are going to check out top 10 best dual fuel portable generator in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this dual fuel portable generator, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. So let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
DuroStar DS4850, a dual fuel portable generator, 4850 watt gas or propane powered, electric start, camping and RV ready, 50 state approved, red/black. Plenty of power with 4,850 starting watts and 3,850 running watts. This unit can handle heavy loads, from lights and a refrigerator to a home air conditioner and high amperage power tools. Dual fuel technology. This generator runs on gasoline or propane, giving you the freedom and flexibility of fuel choice. Powerful engine. The DuroStar 210 OHV engine is a workhorse that provides plenty of power to handle multiple jobs, from powering high voltage appliances to heavy-duty power tools.
Top 9.
WENDF 475T Dual Fuel 120V/240V portable generator with electric start transfer switch ready, 4750 watt, CARB compliant. Switch between gasoline, 4750 surge watts, 3800 running watt, and propane, 4350 surge, 3500 running, with the simple turn of the selection dial. Voltage easily goes from 120V to 240V, perfect for transfer switches and emergency backup. Electric start powers the 224 4-stroke OHV engine with the turn of a key. 4-gallon tank provides up to 11 hours of half-load run time. Includes two 120V GFCI outlets, 520R, a 120V/240V NEMA 30, a twist lock, L1430R, a 12V DC cigarette lighter style plug, a bottle of oil, a wheel and handle kit, a 47-inch LPG connection hose, and a 2-year warranty.
Top 8.
WENDF 1000 100T 11,000 watt 120V/240V dual fuel portable generator with wheel kit and electric start. CARB compliant, black. Propane 9,500 surge, 7,500 running, with the simple turn of the selection dial. Voltage easily goes from 120V to 240V, perfect for transfer switches and emergency backup. Electric start powers the 457 4-stroke OHV engine with the turn of a key. 6.6-gallon tank provides up to 8.5 hours of half-load run time. Includes 4 120V GFCI outlets, 520R, a 120V30, a twist lock outlet, L530R, a 120V/240V50 outlet, NEMA 1450R, a 12V DC cigarette lighter style plug, a bottle of oil, a 47-inch LPG connection hose, and a 2-year warranty.
Top 7.
Champion Power Equipment 100,891-9375/7500 watt dual fuel portable generator, electric start, dual fuel. Operate your 7,500 watt portable generator right out of the box on either gasoline or propane. Plus, the unit holds 1.2 quarts of oil included and has a low oil shutoff sensor. Electric start. Power up the 439 Champion engine with a handy rocker switch, battery included. INTELIJUG. Keep track of voltage, hertz, and runtime hours to easily monitor power output and track maintenance intervals.
Top 6.
WENDF 475T Dual Fuel 120V/240V portable generator with electric start transfer switch ready, 4750 watt, CARB compliant. Switch between gasoline, 4750 surge watts, 3800 running watt, and propane, 4350 surge, 3500 running, with the simple turn of the selection dial. Voltage easily goes from 120 V to 240 V, perfect for transfer switches and emergency backup. Electric Start powers the 224 4-stroke OHV engine with the turn of a key. 4-gallon tank provides up to 11 hours of half-load run time. Includes two 120 V GFCI outlets, 520R, a 120 V/240 V and EMA 30, a twist lock, L1430R, a 12 V DC cigarette lighter style plug, a bottle of oil, a wheel and handle kit, a 47-inch LPG connection hose, and a 2-year warranty.
Top 5.
Pulsar D12 KBN SG Heavy-Duty Portable Dual Fuel Generator. 9,500 rated watts and 12,000 peak watts. Gas and LPG. Electric start. Transfer switch and RV ready. CARB compliant. 12,000 peak watts/9. 500 rated watts. Gasoline and 10,800 peak watts/8. 550 rated watts. LPG. Dual fuel capability allows you to choose between gasoline and LPG fuel sources. Great for emergency situations or natural disaster, as LPG may be more readily available and easy to store. The 457-6 single-cylinder, 4-stroke, air-cooled OHV engine with electric start is protected by a durable powder-coated frame.
Top 4.
Pulsar 5000 250W dual fuel portable generator with switch and go technology, PG 5000 250B, 5000 250W peak 4000 250W rated, GAS/4000 750W peak 3850W rated, LPG. The powerful 224 4-stroke OHV air-cooled engine is protected by a durable powder-coated steel frame. 4-gallon fuel tank gives you up to 12 hours of continuous operation at half load when running on gasoline. Switch and go technology allow for seamless transitioning between LPG and gasoline fuel sources while still in operation.
Top 3.
Westinghouse Outdoor Power Equipment GWGen 9000 500 DF dual fuel portable generator, 9500 rated, 12,500 peak watts. Gas or propane powered electric start transfer switch and RV ready. CARB compliant. Blue. 9500 running watts and 12,500 peak watts. Gasoline. 8500 running watts, 11,200 peak watts. Propane. Remote start with included key fob, electric and recoil start. Up to 12 hours of run time on a 6-gallon fuel tank with fuel gauge. Features 2 GFCI 120V 520R standard household receptacle, 1 transfer switch ready 120V L1430R, and 1 RV ready 120/240V 1450R. All outlets have rubber covers for added safety.
Top 2.
DuroMax XP 5000 500E electric start camping and RV ready. 50 state approved dual fuel portable generator, 5500 watt gas or propane powered, blue/black. Plenty of power with 5,500 starting watts and 4,500 running watts. This unit can handle heavy loads from lights and a refrigerator to a home air conditioner and high amperage power tools. Dual fuel technology. This generator runs on gasoline or propane, giving you the freedom and flexibility of fuel choice. Low oil shoot-off. Powerful engine. The DuroMax 224 OHV engine is a workhorse that provides plenty of power to handle multiple jobs, from powering high-voltage appliances to heavy-duty power tools.
Top 1.
DuroMax XP 12000E generator, 12,000 watt gas or propane powered home backup and RV ready. 50 state approved dual fuel electric start portable generator, black and blue. Powerful DuroMax engine. The XP12000E is powered by a DuroMax 457 OHV engine. Dual fuel technology. The ability to run on propane or gasoline allows the freedom and flexibility of fuel choice. Protects your investment by automatically shutting the generator off when it senses that the oil is low. Plenty of power. With 12,000 starting watts and 500 running watts, this unit can handle heavy loads from lights and a refrigerator to a home air conditioner and high amperage power tools. Please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.